the only conference where you can hear things about mail that you're not going to hear anywhere else.
I really believe that MailCon is one of the best shows for the industry. It's very specific, very niche, and we're all sort of in this friend zone, and we know that we came here for the purpose to help each other out and to network with each other.
Front door staff has been great, the food was great, everything was organized, everything was on time.
Every year it's just getting better and better, and I'm very impressed. This is my third show. I haven't missed the MailCon yet with a booth, and without question 110% we're going to keep on displaying at MailCon.
We want to thank MailCon for giving us the opportunity to connect with a lot of great people.
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased. It can't happen.
Every conference we've come, we've been able to get more clientele, figure out some of our emailing problems, and find new partners in strategic ways. Huge endorsement of MailCon and everything that they represent. We will never miss a MailCon in the future.
For a $495 ticket, for a $2,500 booth, there's just nothing like it.